Hey guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and today's video is just going to be a little bit of a day in the life over the past 2 days. So yesterday the kids and I went on a really fun field trip. We got to go and speak with a beekeeper and see inside the hives and learn all this wonderful information about bees. And then we went on a pollinator hike and we actually saw pollination in action. And then the kids also got to learn about and touch some reptiles and amphibians. So we had a huge full day of field tripping fun, a bunch of nature study and sciencey type stuff. And after we did that, we got home and I made a pot roast in my pressure cooker, and that recipe is going to be at the end of this video. So I tried to film it for you guys, and I'll do a voiceover letting you guys see how I made that pot roast. It's really easy, just a dump and go type meal. And then today I have actually been at home getting some work done while my husband took all the kids out, which is a rarity, honestly, but it's been kind of nice just to be able to get some stuff done in the quiet. Once he gets back, I'm gonna take the girls to dance class, and then later on I'm gonna go out and buy some stuff for my daughter. She's turning 9 very soon, and she wants to pick out kind of like some party decorations and her cake and all of that stuff. So I thought I would take you guys along and show you guys all of that and what she decides, what she's gonna pick out and all of that stuff. So yeah, let's just jump right on into it. First, I'm gonna show you guys some clips from that really fun field trip. So let's go. So we do birthdays a couple of different ways in our family. We have 6 kids, so we don't host huge birthday parties, but we do let the kids pick whether they want to have a smaller birthday party with several different gifts, or if they want to do sort of like an activity, but of course then they'll also get a meal and a cake. My 9-year-old, almost 9-year-old daughter chose to do a smaller birthday party with more gifts. So here we are just trying to pick out what kinds of plates and things that she wants, and she decided to go with Fancy Nancy. And then here towards the end of these clips, you'll see that she picked out a really cute unicorn cake. Alright guys, so let's make that pot roast. I just have my electric pressure cooker here, and I'm going to take about a 3-pound chuck roast and put it down in there. Now, if you don't necessarily want to make this meal dump and go, you can easily turn on the saute button for your pressure cooker and sear both sides of the meat after you season them really well with some salt and pepper. Sorry about the wobbly camera there. We were having some technical difficulties. And I also noticed while doing this voiceover that I need to clean the outside of my pressure cooker in that ring. But anyways, I'm also going to take half a packet of the Lipton beefy onion soup mix and put it down on top of the meat. And then next I'm going to add 1 white onion that I have peeled and chopped. Just going to set that right down in there on top of the roast. And then I'm going to take about 4 large carrots that I peeled and also chopped and put those down into the pressure cooker as well. Once I get all of that into the pressure cooker, I'm going to add potatoes. I used 3 large russet potatoes, but honestly you can use any kind of potato that you have, whether it be the little red potatoes or the little tiny golden potatoes, new potatoes. Chop up some Yukon Golds, whatever you've got will work in this recipe. Once you get all of your veggies in there, dump the rest of the onion soup mix on top of the vegetables and then put in 2 cups of beef broth. I didn't have any broth, so I just used water. I should have added some extra seasonings since I wasn't using the broth. And you are also free to play around with the seasonings as well. Add in some thyme if you want, whatever, you know. I think a couple splashes of Worcestershire sauce would be really good in this recipe too. Okay, now that we have everything in our pot, our pressure cooker, you're going to close your pressure cooker, turn the little knob to ceiling, and then you're going to set it for the meat/stew setting, whatever that is on your particular pressure cooker, and then you are going to set it for 60 minutes and let it cook. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and all of the other clips. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Bye!